Thank you all, esteemed guests, for being here today. I know you could have taken time out of your schedule to do many other things, but you chose to be here today. We wholeheartedly thank you. We wholeheartedly thank everyone that's in this room, and especially our esteemed guests, North American Judith Mila, TWA, Tibetan Women's Association board members from all the way from India, President Tinsu Domala, Vice President Sri Domala, and Secretary Kesam Domala, and then our local community organization leaders as well. Thank you all for being here. Today is a very special day. As you all know, it's Samduna Rinpoche's 84th birthday. Technically in India it is already, but it is going to be tomorrow, November 5th. And today, that's why we're here, is because we know Samduna Rinpoche is such a strong advocate of middle way and a strong leader in our community, and so we are here today celebrate not only that occasion, but to celebrate leaders like him who are continuing to also support the important things in our lives and the important things like Middle Way, which we base our organization on.
이동 중원 로라 미니소디 우미람 기슈 투초기 총미 당보다 소방 고추니 방보 중이 우주이.
So as you can see above, these are the 12 founding members of our organization. In 2015, we established an organization as young people who wanted to come together to create this space.
속비 루규디 우미람기 콜라 도나만포 용야타 숑케 남라 고도베야 지도 주바레.
So the group of Tibetan youth that you just saw created this organization to raise awareness about Umilam because we saw a need for not only to educate ourselves, but also to educate our own community and to create an understanding that's clear about what Umilam is.
우미람 기레규 카시지 세다디 다발 겐소레.
Above, you can see some of the different events that we've held in the last 3 to 4 years. This is just a variety of the work that we've done in the community, but just so you all have visuals of what we've done in the past.
우미람 기슈 기랭케디 우피미틱술라 존센 랭케 표준남라 고도베야 시도 레규 시윤타 슈두 레규 치조 참두 레규 속에 시웨이 디야 쉔케남 심슈 베야 시도 타 시웨이 조메 용베타 참 시웨이.
Our mission statement is as above, Why for You works in solidarity with the Central Tibetan Administration and the Tibetan people to raise awareness and support for the Middle Way approach through education, political advocacy, community engagement, youth empowerment, and peaceful conflict resolution.
만주미 시디 당보딜라 쉔케남라 우미람기 고도베야 지도이 니바딜라 게체 상유 남라 우미람 고도슈야 수바딜라 되게 카피타 미리 기체드 우미람 통이 슈두 레규 시바딜라 페나 페탐 야니 시데 우미람 통에 조메 슈주.
Our vision for the work is 4 parts, basically. The first part is to provide engaging programming that's in person to our youth to expand their learning of the Middle Way approach. Our second is to provide access to information about Middle Way approach through initiatives, and specifically our websites and online social media. Third is lobbying, and then fourth is dialoguing with the Chinese community.
디제가 레규 카시지 세다기 데발.
So we showed you a few of our initiatives before in the past that we've done, but we really wanted to hone in on the specific recent work that we've done. So for example, our founding day was in May this year, and we invited members from the Office of Tibet, chief guest, Dr. Ngamge Churugla, representative of His Holiness the Dalai Lama in Office of Tibet, and then also a keynote speaker, Dr. Umadashila, who is the Tibetan liaison officer, to come speak about Middle Way approach, but specifically really community engagement, because that was needed at the time. So this is one of our events where we brought community together to really talk about Milam. Next, just wanted to highlight some work that we've done within our local region within Minnesota. I think it was Jimena, I think you brought a group of community organizations together, and we were able to celebrate the White Kata movement, a peace solidarity march, which was really to show camaraderie and show support for His Holiness the Dalai Lama while we were going through media backlash. And so this is Dinzi Chunlu Dongchula, if you can see, one of our board members, who was present at the march and was representing Why for You there. And then finally, we wanted to showcase some of our young talent and our young folks who are in the community. This is something that we've done in the past as well, but we had a Why for You scholarship where we basically asked students who are graduating from high school and going on to college, and ask them to think about Umilam. Think about sort of, if you were a president, why for you, what would you do? Is another innovative way for us to really engage with youth, to think about, not only what Umilam is and to really research it themselves, but also to further their development as leaders of the future of our community as well. So we were able to have 2 scholarships this past year, one because of an anonymous donor who was super passionate about community engagement and further education, and we were able to give out those 2 scholarships this year, one from Y4U and one from our anonymous donor, so thank you. This is just a little bit about our online presence. How many of you have Facebook? Facebook yun na Facebook also. Instagram yun 가져서 yun na The Instagram తీసుకో 보여주시더라. 아니 남아서 가르디 online website 모에 가져서 mambo 주기에 나머지 website 인솔라다 online okay 가시도록 단 손자가 열다. So we have an online presence on all 3 platforms. We have our own website you can go to and learn more. We have an Instagram that we're very active on, and then also our Facebook, which is our backbone essentially. And we try as much as possible to engage with our audience, no matter if they're in Minnesota or if they're outside of the region and all over the world. So please do follow for you to follow us if you do not yet. The third arm or vision for our work is really lobbying. This is something that we are trying to do more and more of. As you can see, some of these pictures are a little bit older, but our goal is to at least once a year do some lobbying. And here we have our board member Nadwala, who is lobbying, I think, at Amy Ilhan's office this past year. And actually, my correction, Jimila is the one who organized this. Yes, I think Chusangla was the one who organized this movement. So this is another arm of our work because we do believe in the power of our rights as U.S. citizens, and so that is one actual way for us to move the dialogue forward for Tibet and the Tibetan issue. And finally, dialoguing with the Chinese community. As you saw earlier, I think this is something that really is our niche. This is something that I don't think any other organization does do. So we try and try, and we are currently building our capacity to do more of this because we realize it's an important part of the work that we're doing, especially engaging with Chinese people, Chinese community members, Chinese scholars, and also bringing that to our community as well, to create that dialogue, not just between us, our board members, but really our communities. So that's very, very important, and we are working on that currently. So these are 3 ways to support. Please, if you would like to support us, you can be members. If you aren't already, we have our membership table over there. If you would like to donate, please donate to us. That's also where the donations are. Thank you for your donation if you've already given to us, and again, there are more than 2 ways to work and support us. And so the third way really is to volunteer. If you would like to volunteer at any Y4U events, we always are looking for that, and I think it's a way to engage community on a different way. So if you'd like to volunteer with us and stay up and be signed up on that, please also let our members over there know, and we can get you signed up for our volunteer list.
공부做从上，明年呢这个他的现在的人的忙不有，按单你是嘛是这边不接苏轼的公司说的对吧？他夹着上头不接给中国的苏轼的就按的给写了也拍了公司，给写了。
通话的今天公司单位进去如果通知不起来呀，不是不起来，我们都会被拖呢。但他的前面干的，就不是说因为他们进入那个，但今年的将来的这个，让我第一次见到了对不对？过了那么久，对于后面的这个说很难想。但今年3年里嘛，有了。공부를 시키고요. 안 동호대 간다. 우리 소중 오늘은 쉬는 교수님이 아니 시행이 무슨 저기 제 교수가 남시선 무슨 자들이 근데 아가씨 니주가 다른데 나도 산에야 기니 니주 중대 이번에 다리디 라면 배워서가 오스는 시지 아니 시험이 아니 저 별로래 강부디 겸해서 상대로 무시해야 별로 좀 제한테 가서 좀 처리라 별로 좀 아니 간다 루치 되는 되니 겸손지 대신 통도지 쉬처지 단다 루치를 되는 계획 통세해야지 단하는 이자 진짜 죽지 세지그람이야 무슨 말인지 배심이 아니 나를 계획이 지나기 시 소소의 찍지 당수 아무서 당시만 제배치가 되는 감차되게 그사회 대변 나오는데 루시가 대버지 모두 상지 결분이 상고 되기지 대변 나오시 칸이스지 지가 당수에 대해 도스모슈 제배슈기 마소만 다리 대해 장만 당사 자바다 답되지야 그래야 자주파에 당사 이거 이슈지 아니 그 중간으로야 대변이 지금 하나가 이슈가 되는 것이 사실이 오늘 이슈가 그래서 여러분들 두번 내려오니 이루었다 간다 교육 필요성으로 야시 다음에 지리게 되는 소리죠. 차에서 이게 시집이 간다 다자에 무지 제대로야 시 지금의 시스템으로야 정말 용기가 자라는 이번에 말하기 되게 중요하다. 시행이 아이들 상담지 당하고리야 안에 되게 것들이 되게 처식하리야 지진장 거기야 그것이 아니 시행이 가성들이야 겨울시 가루시 그들이들아 아니 루시 초리다 되게 쉬어들 쉬우리야 아니 장한데 지진들이야 그것이 이 사실 무슨 말이야 뜻이지마 조장지 쉬어지 시행이야 계획 투식 केवे कामों जो लखे भूमि साधु जो लखे संदोर मुझे उमे लांकोर सुन लखे भेजे जेम्यू जू लखे संदोर मुझे चांदे लांग दुशेक लखे मंगजू लांगलू क्यों लखे संदोर मुझे केवे दूना दूबे तो कुछ तेरे मेलम शू कुछ तेरे मेलम शू तेने तुमको नहीं बती हादा लामा तें लखे थमजी दोंबा सुन लखे संदोर मुझे साम्य चुजू तें लखे शुलू गाने जो लखे संदोर मुझे चुजा रिपे ने लखे शेय सीजू जू लखे संदोर मुझे केवे तुसे थांजां के कुछ तेरे मेलम शू केवे तुसे थांजां के 코스 때문에 그런 슈스지 대체시 아니 저한테 이런 슈 konsekyam yun chimbo choliya tebe shiji ani shedi 당연히 뭔가도 시험하지 스리비벨라 이 러시아 공이야 여러 제 중간에 당나시지 아니
Zilani, Toja de Besonche, Nanu,